Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you that if in your start menu, if you type something but the search menu is not appearing, doesn't matter how much you type, or even if you click here separately and still type on your keyboard, still nothing is happening, then how to fix it? Well, this happened with me some time ago. It's not happening with me currently. And the way to fix it is very simple. Just what you need to do is open your task manager, press Control Shift and Escape. Now what you need to do is press Control, hold Control and scroll down until you find Explorer, Windows Explorer. Right click on it and restart. And after that, high chance it will work. If it doesn't, then I recommend that you restart your computer, update, check if you have updated your Windows and or like repair your Windows installation. And how to repair the Windows installation, that will be the topic of our next video. So stay tuned. Bye. Another additional tip: by chance you don't want to scroll this much, what you can do is to find the Explorer. You can just use the search bar here and find it out, and then right click and then restart it again. Thanks for watching. I'll meet you in the next video.